It's been truly an exceptional weekend, and we really couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys put so much time and effort this entire year.
The wedding weekend is going to go by super fast. I didn't believe it. I thought I was going to have to look at every single minute, every single hour. But I'm now hoping that all of you just literally stay another week. It's going by too fast now.
Looking around this room, I see so much love and joy. It's clear that Aashka and Rushi are surrounded by people who truly care for them. I watched Aashka grow from a little girl with endless curiosity, energy, and lots of opinions. And now she's a strong, smart, and beautiful lady. As her dad, I could not be more prouder.
Aashka, we are so delighted, so blessed to have you as our daughter.
Ashi, thank you for always making me feel loved, even though I would slap your hand away when you tried to chub my cheeks.
I also wanted to thank everybody for coming tonight. Just to know that, you know, you came. Some of you came from halfway around the world to be here tonight. It's precious.
Before Aashka came along, though, Rushi was, how do I say this politely, lonely. He was working all the time, grinding away, and his idea of excitement was re-cleaning an apartment that was already spotless. Then one day, he meets Aashka on a dating app, and honestly, she shaved him. Since meeting her, Rushi is still a little messy, but now his only vacuums when it's actually dirty. He's more patient, more balanced, and overall just more pleasant to be around.
There are a lot of people who have different ways of showing love and affection. Rushi is the quiet side. He doesn't say a lot of things, but he would make you feel that he loves you, he respects you, he cares for you, and he cares for everyone around him. And it is in the small things.
From the moment we have met you, we could see how much you adore her and how much she lights up when you're around. You're kind, respectful, caring, hardworking. We couldn't have asked for a better partner for Aashka.
Rushi, welcome to the Shah family.
This day is all about Aashka and Rushi. But I would like to thank all of you who have traveled all over the world.
Today I stand here not just as a proud mother, but as someone who has had the privilege to watching an extraordinary woman grow. My daughter Aashka is beautiful in that she's kind, strong, and resilient. From the time she was little, she has carried herself with determination. If life ever put up a wall, she didn't wait for someone to open the doors. She found a way to climb right over it.
I'm so happy to see that he has found his other half with Aashka. The first time I saw them together, I saw both bring out the best of each other. Aashka, you're such a sweetheart, you're loving, you're really caring, and I realized you crack better jokes than Rushi, to be honest.
तेरी बन जाना अज तो सजना वे अखियां चो डिगदे हंजू खुशियां दे तेरी बन जाना अज तो सजना
Just so truly and exceptionally grateful for every single one of you to have shown up this entire week, weekend, day, but we seriously cannot believe that so many people we know and love were able to show up tonight, and I'm so, so, so grateful.
Rushi, when you came into the picture, you didn't replace me. You started stealing my Gamify t-shirts and my room when we were home. And every chakri is now broken into 3 pieces, or 4 when Ryan's here.
I'm thankful to be part of this family. And now I'm thankful Rushi is too.
Today, you are the lucky one who gets to stand beside her. You have not only gained a partner who will challenge you, support you, and inspire you, but also one who will stand shoulder to shoulder with you.
रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रैन सारी तेरी खैर
Damn, wifey.
Hi.
Hi.
You look so handsome.
You're looking very pretty.
Thank you. This is really heavy.
पतझड़ के मौसम में भी रंगी चनारों जैसी झनके सन्नाटों में तू वीणा के तारों जैसी
have no doubt in my mind that you guys are the perfect pair, and I've tried my best to explain it here today. But at the end of the day, you guys just make sense.
Jokes aside, today isn't just about two people getting married. It's about two families coming together, two synergies, and two very different snack cupboards coming together as well.
I really appreciate you, beta. Thank you very much, and welcome to the family. We are so blessed, so proud to have you in our family. God bless you both.
And that's what I knew, like Rushi had found his person to adventure throughout life with. Now, I won't give marriage advice, but I know happiness when I see it. And I would say this, continue to always grow the love that both of you have forged together. Congratulations and cheers.
चौखट के बाहर क्या गए तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए हाय बन्नो परदेसिया के देश के चौबारे तुझको भा गए तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए ले रहा
Aashka and Rushi, I now pronounce you Pati and Patni, husband and wife. A huge round of applause.
गेंदा गुलाबों से सजी डोली तेरी तैयार है झूलों के मौसम वो तेरे हमसे रोके भी रोके ना गए तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए नी तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए
Shine bright like a diamond.
Meeta and I are extremely delighted. You all are here to celebrate this special day.
We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see. A vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds.
Obviously, want to thank my hubby. For doing this incredibly large wedding for me, because I know he wanted more of a court marriage.
I saw the life inside you. Shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful.
At this time, it is my great honor and privilege to introduce, for the first time in public, as a husband and a wife, please make some serious noise in here and help me welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Rushi and Aashka.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Palms rise to the universe as we moonshine and Mali. Feel the warmth, we'll never die. We're like diamonds.
The bond between us, an eternal one, because it's not through DNA, flesh or blood, but heart that makes us a family. I consider myself blessed and lucky to have you in my life. I love you both.
We wish you all both a joyous life together. May your love deepen with each passing year, and may your home be filled with laughter. And may you continue to bring out the best in each other. We love you all both.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Let's party.
So shine bright.